How much could be the worth of your 100 Robbie that you have mined so far? If you have registered for Rubi Coin maybe for some months ago and you have been able to mine over 100 Rubi in your wallet, then my question is, how much could be the worth of that 100 Rubi coin? Or you don't know the answer, right? But let's just get this thing right. When we are talking about a Rubi coin, we are talking about a kind of project that doesn't have any allocation for its founders. That is to say, there is zero allocation for the team founders of this Rubi coin. Most of the projects that you have mined so far, most of them actually have, let's say, 20% or 15% reserved allocation for the team. But in this case of Rubi coin, everybody that is holding a Rubi coin has to get it through mining. So it is a very fair project to everyone. Unless you put in effort, you can't get reward from this Rubi coin. When we talk about Rubi coin, we are talking about a project that has just 100 million total supply. Are you getting that? When we are talking about Rubi coin, we are talking about a kind of project that is not easy to mine. Just imagine, since we have been mining this Rubi coin, we have not even mined up to 35% of total supply. That is to say, what you have currently mined for now is just between 20 to 35 million max. That means it is not easy to mine and the total supply is not much. So what I have actually seen about most of us that register for this Rubi coin is that we are not taking it serious. Look at my own dashboard, for instance. I registered 70 people through my referral link, but just 14 people are mining this Rubi coin presently. Sometimes I will see 8, sometimes I will see 10 when I check into this app. But today, I'm having just 14 people that are mining Rubi coin presently. That shows that most of the people that registered are not taking this project serious. So when these projects now cook well, when we now cash out from this Rubi coin, they will now be saying, and I register for it, but I did not take it serious. They now be shouting, airdrop na scam, because they just registered and they forget about this project. Are you also one of them? If you are, it's time for you to wake up. Take your Rubi coin serious. So the big question is that how much could be the worth of your 100 Rubi coin? Let's check from their official information here. Under this frequently asked question, they said something here that Robbie, is $2 possible on the listing date? Is it possible that Robbie will be listed at a price above $2? Let me just give us a summary of all this conversation. The summary is somewhere here. Let me check for it. Okay, here is it. They said, this is the conclusion now. Going back to the dialectical question of the price of Robbie, I will say that every Robbie you set up today can be exchanged for 500 interactions. Calculate it yourself. I'm just saying that your 500 interactions probably won't be less than $2. If you still doubt that $2 is also an unbelievable item, then I will really gladly pay $2 for your 500 interaction. So yeah, they are telling us stylishly that Robbie it has a high tendency of being listed at a price that is above $2. So if Robbie is not getting listed at a price that is above $2, then that means your 100 Robbie that you have mined so far will be what will be amounted to over $200 on the listing date. Not to not talk of you having 500 Robbie, that is above $1,000 all things being equal, and the way we are looking at this project is not easy to mine. It is scarce. The total supply is not much. It has a high tendency of being listed and a price that is not less than $2 or even way above $2. Imagine a project hitting the market with just 20 million supply. As in, let's say it now get itself listed on a tier 1 exchanges. That means we can be talking about $5 or even over $5 plus for the listing of this Robbie. So the summary of this video is that if you have been sleeping on Robbie, it's time for you to wake up, because this is a gem coin from all definition, from every angles that you want to take a look at this coin. This Robbie is actually a gem coin, and I want to wake you up, if you are sleeping already, that you should start taking your Robbie serious, because what you are holding is a gem coin and it can make you so much more money when it gets listed. Alright, that is what I want to share to you in this video. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel if you are yet to do so, as we normally dish out vital information about crypto, airdrop, and other legit platforms. Thanks for watching, and let us meet in my subsequent video.